So, hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vansh and you are watching my YouTube channel Never Stop Learning, where we try to give you knowledge and entertain you too. In the last video, we learned what is matter and its characteristics. If not seen, link in description. Before moving on, please like and share and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and switch it to all to receive the notification of my video first. So let's move on. States of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Starting with solids. What is solids? Where intermolecular force is very strong and kinetic energy is very less. The intermolecular space is reduced and the matter exists as a solid. Each solid is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are very small in size and they can be assumed to be like tiny rigid balls. The separation between two molecules in a solid known as intermolecular spacing is very small. The molecules in a solid can only vibrate to and fro about their mean positions. They do not leave their positions. The molecules in a solid are closely packed due to the strong attractive forces between them, as shown in the above picture. Moving on to molecular model of liquids, when intermolecular force between the constituent molecules is not much strong and the kinetic energy sufficient for the molecules to move to and fro, the intermolecular spaces is increased and the matter exists as a liquid. Each liquid is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are very small in size and they are not in a rigid arrangement. The intermolecular space is liquids in more than in solids. The liquid molecules can move about freely with the boundary of the vessel. The molecules in the liquid are very closely packed and the positions are not fixed as they are free to move within the boundary of the vessel. Next, moving on to gases. When intermolecular force is negligible and kinetic energy is very high, matter exists as a gas. Like solids and liquids, gases are made up of very tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are very small in size and they can be assumed to be like non-rigid balls. The separation between them is quite large and the molecules in a gas can move freely about the space available to them. They are wide apart and their position are not fixed because the intermolecular forces in them is very weak. So, difference between solid, liquid and gases are listed up down about intermolecular force, intermolecular space, definite shape and density and compression. I would like to add that molecules in a solid are rigid, liquids are non-rigid and gases are also non-rigid. And a solid cannot flow, a liquid can flow from high level to low level and a gas can flow in every direction. So, in the next video we will learn about change of state. Till then, bye bye, stay tuned.